Imagine a world where your practice runs like clockwork. The right patients find you at just the right moment. Your marketing efforts practically manage themselves, and your team can focus more on patient care rather than tedious administrative tasks. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, welcome to the era of AI in healthcare marketing. Hi, I'm Andrew Lopez, co-founder here at Dr. Genius. I'm thrilled to welcome you to the first episode of our webinar series on how AI is revolutionizing healthcare marketing. Over the next few minutes, we're going to dive into some exciting topics that will show you how AI can directly impact the growth of your practice and, most importantly, improve patient outcomes. In this episode, we'll cover what AI really is, how it's transforming patient acquisition, engagement, and retention, and we'll look at real-world examples of AI-driven success in the healthcare sector. By the end of this session, you'll see AI not just as a buzzword, but as a crucial tool that can propel your practice to new heights. Let's start by breaking down what AI really means. At its core, artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence by machines. It's about creating systems that can learn, adapt, and make decisions, sometimes even better and faster than we can. AI isn't just one thing. It's an umbrella term that includes a range of technologies, each with its own role in transforming how we operate. Let's look at a few key players in the AI world. First up, we have machine learning. This is the engine behind AI's ability to learn from data. Think about how Netflix recommends shows based on what you've watched before. That's machine learning at work, continuously learning from your behavior and improving its recommendations. Next, there's natural language processing, or NLP. Ever asked Siri or Alexa a question and gotten a surprisingly accurate answer? That's NLP, allowing machines to understand and respond to human language. In healthcare, NLP can be used to analyze patient reviews, extract insights from medical records, or even power AI chatbots that handle patient inquiries. And then there's predictive analytics, the crystal ball of AI. By analyzing historical data, predictive analytics can forecast future outcomes. In healthcare marketing, this might mean predicting which patients are most likely to need a specific treatment, or identifying the best times to run a campaign for maximum engagement. These technologies might sound complex, but they're already a part of our everyday lives, and they're about to become an essential part of healthcare marketing. In fact, AI is poised to transform how we attract, engage, and retain patients. Imagine being able to identify the patients who are most likely to respond to your marketing efforts, personalize your outreach to their specific needs, and even predict when they might need your services, all with minimal effort on your part. That's the power of AI. But you might be wondering, does AI really work? Let's look at some real-world examples of AI-driven success in healthcare marketing. Example 1, patient acquisition. One healthcare provider used AI to analyze patient data and discovered that their highest value patients were primarily women aged 35-50 who frequently searched online for wellness tips. By using AI to target similar profiles with tailored content, they saw a 30% increase in new patient appointments within just a few months. Example 2, patient engagement. Another clinic implemented an AI-powered chatbot to handle patient inquiries 24/7. This not only improved patient satisfaction, but also freed up staff to focus on more complex tasks. The result? A 20% increase in patient retention rates, as patients appreciated the convenience and quick responses. Example 3, retention and loyalty. A dental practice used predictive analytics to identify patients at risk of missing their next appointment. By sending personalized reminders and offers, they reduced missed appointments by 25%, boosting overall retention and patient satisfaction. So, what does all of this mean for you? AI isn't just a tool for big corporations or tech giants. It's accessible, it's powerful, and it's ready to help you take your healthcare marketing to the next level. Whether you're looking to attract new patients, engage them more effectively, or retain them for the long term, AI offers the solutions you need. In the next episodes of this series, we're going to dive even deeper into each of these AI technologies, showing you step-by-step how to implement them in your practice. We'll explore machine learning for predictive analytics, personalized marketing strategies, AI-driven content creation, and so much more. But for now, I want to leave you with this thought. AI isn't just the future, it's the present, and those who embrace it today will be the ones who thrive tomorrow. So, are you ready to unleash the power of AI in your healthcare marketing? Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe to our series and share it with your colleagues. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll dive into machine learning and its incredible potential for predictive analytics in healthcare. Until then, I'm Andrew Lopez. Let's transform healthcare marketing together.